How to reduce air pollution in cities. Warnings encourage the public to avoid outdoor activities, but they don't ask polluters to reduce their emissions. While the UK may be leading the way, many European cities have adopted policies to reduce air pollution levels. The benefits of planting trees to reduce air pollution in cities have been demonstrated in several studies. Studies by Nowak and Ottoson have shown a significant improvement in air quality in urban areas when trees are planted during the daytime in the in-leaf season. These studies also found that trees planted along roadsides reduced traffic pollution by up to 3 degrees Celsius. The growth of mature trees has been shown to reduce air pollution more effectively than that of young trees. Trees with many branches and rough bark have more surface area to trap pollutants. However, these factors are important only when considering the economic benefits of planting trees in urban areas. The city of Melbourne has planted 70,000 trees and aims to increase that to 40% by 2040. Paris, on the other hand, is planning to create an urban forest, including iconic buildings, in order to improve the air quality in the city. A more detailed approach might be appropriate for cities with varying degrees of air pollution and climate change-related health effects. A GIS-based mapping could identify specific areas that are at risk for more severe impacts of air pollution and those with fewer negative effects. New data from Houston and EDF is being analyzed to find cities where air pollution is a problem. These cities could design targeted policies that address pollution sources and limit exposure. Ultimately, targeted enforcement can help cities reduce air pollution. One pilot being used to test a cost-effective model is a pilot program for mapping air pollution in cities. The Houston Health Department and Geotab have developed an open-source data portal that allows people to map air pollution in real time using connected vehicles. Based on the data collected from over 1 million connected vehicles, the technology could map up to 80% of a city using just 20 vehicles. For example, during Ozone Action Day or wildfire smoke, increased enforcement can focus on areas with high levels of air pollution. New York City has been the target of a crackdown on idling. Traffic management strategies reduce emissions, ambient concentrations, and human exposure to these pollutants, with the ultimate goal of reducing the impact on health. To evaluate the effectiveness of TMS, we conducted a systematic literature search for studies that examined the impact of these strategies on pollution-related health outcomes. The results of the search indicate that the evidence base for the effectiveness of traffic management rules on pollution-related health outcomes is weak. However, future research can help to deepen our understanding of traffic pollution control strategies in cities, especially in developing countries. By assessing current conditions and determining future conditions, cities can design traffic management rules that reduce air pollution. One example is in the case of Strasbourg, which tackles air pollution with intelligent traffic management. This simulation, conducted by the PTV Group, shows that smart traffic management can reduce the number of vehicle stops by as much as 9%. A typical case study city for this research is Nairobi, Kenya, where rapid urbanization and motorization have increased the number of vehicles. To tackle traffic-related air pollution, cities must address congestion and the associated emissions. Using public transport can have lasting environmental impacts. Using public transport is also cheaper, especially in low-density areas with limited parking and a large travel zone. Public transportation also reduces the cost of maintaining multiple vehicles. Many cities have implemented policies to reduce air pollution from vehicles. This resulted in deteriorated air quality and incentivized people to purchase a second vehicle, which was typically dirtier than the first. In Beijing, the same policy resulted in a 19% reduction in air pollution and a 7% increase in public transit usage. Public transportation also reduces air pollution. One study found that the amount of carbon dioxide produced per passenger mile of public transportation is reduced by nearly 50%. In a city with high car traffic, public transit reduces traffic congestion, which can cause more air pollution. As a result, public transportation helps reduce air pollution and improve the health of city dwellers. A bus is an excellent opportunity to reduce air pollution in a city. In a city like Sao Paulo, for example, buses make 10 million trips per day, so reducing the emissions from even just one bus would be significant. The CDC estimates that if they implement all of these policies, a total of 1 million people will die prematurely from air pollution. The study also estimates that electrifying public transportation would also reduce costs by approximately 65%. Showing your support to our channel is much appreciated. Do like this video, share, subscribe to our channel, and follow the link in the description for a full version article on this video.